2 years ago, it took a team of 7 people to run a full-service marketing agency. And today, I'm watching 19-year-old kids run entire operations from their bedrooms and making more money than most agencies with 10+ employees. Now, what changed? Well, AI completely transformed the game. My name's Julian, and if you're a videographer, content creator, or you run a small agency, this might be the most important video you'll watch this year. Now, here's a shocking truth. 90% of content agencies are on the verge of becoming obsolete, not because they lack talent or creativity, but because they're still operating like it's 2020. They're focused on delivering pretty videos and engaging content while completely missing the massive shift that's happening right now in the industry. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever had a client say something like, "These videos look amazing, but where are the actual customers?" Or worse, they just ghost you after a month or two. You see, this isn't your fault. The problem is most agencies are only delivering one piece of a 3-part puzzle. And AI has just made it possible for even solo creators to deliver the entire solution. I've helped over 100 content agencies in the last 15 months, and the results have been amazing. People who were charging $800 per project are now commanding $3,500 monthly retainers with less work and happier clients. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it. So today, we're going to be talking about the full marketing funnel opportunity. So let's start by understanding the full marketing funnel and why it represents such a massive opportunity for videographers and content agencies. You see, most creators focus exclusively on the top of funnel, which is attention. You create eye-catching videos, stunning graphics, and scroll-stopping content, and that's valuable, but it's just the beginning of a customer journey. Think about it like this. If you build somebody a beautiful store with an amazing storefront, but there's nothing inside to sell and no salespeople to help customers, how successful would that business be? Not very. And that's essentially what's happening when you only deliver content. The complete marketing funnel has 3 main parts. 1, attention. This is your content, videos, posts, ads that grab eyeballs. There's the interest. This is nurturing, educating prospects, building trust, staying top of mind. Then there's conversions. This is sales. This is turning viewers into leads and leads into customers. In the past, delivering this full funnel required either a team of specialists or an insane amount of work from one person. But AI has completely changed the game. You see, leverage is the key to scaling any business. It's the ability to get more output without proportionally more input. And AI gives us a unprecedented leverage in the content and marketing space. Think about traditional leverage. In the past, if you wanted to do more, you had 2 options. 1, work more hours, which had a clear ceiling, or hire people, which is expensive and complicated. You have to hire, fire, all that. AI now gives us a 3rd option, which is building systems that work for you 24/7 without getting tired, asking for raises, or making human errors. Let me put this into perspective. 10 years ago, if you wanted to deliver a full marketing funnel for a client, you would need a content team, like a videographer, editor, graphic designer, a media buyer to manage the ads, a copywriter for the messaging and the copy, a CRM specialist for the lead management, and a sales team for follow-up. See, that's at least 5 to 7 people and thousands of dollars monthly in payroll. And if they're onshore employees, tens of thousands of dollars. Today, one person with the right AI systems can handle all of this for multiple clients. And that's what I mean by leverage. And this isn't just my opinion, this isn't theory. According to recent research from Influencer Marketing Hub, about 40% of marketers report that generative AI has significantly impacted their marketing strategies. The transformation is happening right now. But here's where most people get AI wrong. They use it for basic one-off tasks like write me a caption or generate me a video idea. That's like using a Ferrari to go grocery shopping. You aren't using its full potential. Now, I don't know if that was the best analogy, but anyways, the real power of AI comes from building systems and agents that work together to deliver complete solutions. Let me show you exactly how this works. Now, the first system I want to break down is the content creation process. This is where everything begins after a client signs up. Now, here's what happens in a traditional agency. A client pays, you panic, and you start figuring out what to create. You manually brainstorm ideas, you create a content calendar, and you start producing content piece by piece. You see, this approach is reactive, it's inefficient, and it doesn't leverage AI at all. Now, here's the AI-powered approach that we teach our students. Client pays and automatically receives a welcome sequence. No manual work from you. They fill out a comprehensive onboarding form about their business, goals, their target audience, etc. And then this information is fed into a sequence of AI agents that analyze their industry and competitors. It identifies content gaps and opportunities. It generates dozens of tailored content ideas, creates ad angles and hooks, and it even develops a complete marketing strategy with minimal human input. Let me show you a specific example of how this works. When a new client comes on board, their onboarding form answers go directly into an AI agent that we call the industry analyzer. Now, this agent researches their specific industry and location. It identifies top performing content in that niche and analyzes competitor strategies, it determines what's working right now in their market, and more. You see, this single step would normally take a marketing team days to complete, but our AI does it in minutes. Next, that output goes into an ICP analysis agent, which creates a full breakdown of their ideal client, their wants, their needs, pain points, etc. Basically everything we need to know about their ICP. Next, that output goes to a market strategist agent, which creates 30 plus pieces of content, ideas specifically for that client, video scripts and hooks for each idea, ad angles that will resonate with their audience, performance predictions based on similar content, and more. And all of this happens automatically in the background while you focus on the high level creative direction and relationship with the client. The best part is this entire system probably takes like 3 to 4 hours to set up initially, then it runs on autopilot for every new client. That's leverage. Now let's talk about the part of the funnel that most content agencies ignore completely, which is converting viewers into actual leads and customers. This is where the real money is made, both for you and your clients. When you can show businesses that your work is directly generating customers, they'll never question your prices again. Here's an example of an AI appointment booking system we've built for our clients. A potential customer sees your client's content or ad. They click through either to a landing page, a lead form, or just your DMs, and they send a message. And instead of waiting for a human to respond where most leads are lost, an AI agent immediately engages with them. The AI asks qualifying questions to determine if they're a good fit. If they qualify, the AI books them directly into your client's calendar. Then an automated sequence sends reminders and nurturing messages, emails, sequences, everything. And after the appointment, the AI follows up based on the outcome. This system works 24/7 and never gets tired. It can handle hundreds of conversations simultaneously. It's like having a full-time sales team working for pennies. We're just at the beginning of what's possible with AI in the content and marketing space. Now I'm going to dive into some insights on where this is all heading and how you can position yourself to benefit. First, AI is getting more specialized and capable every month. What required custom coding a year ago can now be done with a single prompt or no-code tools. This trend will only continue to accelerate. According to recent data from Synthesia, more than 60% of companies are currently using generative AI, which increases business productivity and it reduces employee workload by 60 to 70%. This isn't just a small improvement, it's a complete transformation of how work gets done. And it's not just about content creation. A 2024 study from Siege Media found that AI in content marketing is most often used for content ideation, 71%, content development, 68%, drafting content, 47%, and strategy, 40%. Smart agencies are using AI across their entire marketing process. In the next 1 to 2 years, we'll see AI systems that can generate custom video content based on written prompts. It also have the ability to analyze video performance in real time and make adjustments. It's gonna have the ability to have natural voice conversations with leads. You aren't gonna be able to tell whether it's a human or AI. It's gonna be able to predict which content will perform the best before you even create it. But here's the key insight where everything comes around. The businesses that need your help the most are local service-based businesses. And that's because they are the least equipped to implement these technologies themselves. They are still struggling with basic digital marketing, let alone advanced AI systems. And this creates an enormous opportunity for content agencies who position themselves as AI growth partners, rather than just video creators or content producers. Think about it this way. The value of just creating videos is decreasing as AI makes it easier for anyone to generate decent content. But the value of building complete AI marketing systems is increasing because it requires expertise, experience, and strategic thinking. This is why the most successful agencies in our community are those that have embraced the full funnel AI approach. They're charging $3,500 to $7,000 per month with long-term clients instead of hustling for $500 to $1,000 one-off projects. So if you want to start implementing these AI systems inside of your content agency, here are the steps that I recommend. Number 1, start with your client onboarding process. This is the foundation of everything else. Create a comprehensive form that gathers all of the information you need, then build AI agents that can analyze and act on this information. Also, focus on one part of the funnel at a time. Don't try to build everything at once. Master content creation with AI first, then move to ads, then to lead generation, and then to the conversion mechanisms. And also use existing tools rather than to try to build everything from scratch. They are excellent AI platforms that can help you create these systems without coding knowledge. And then from there is just testing and refining on your own business before offering it to your clients. This gives you the confidence that you need in case studies to show potential clients. The beauty of this approach is that you can start implementing it today, even if you're just a solo creator with limited resources. The leverage that AI provides makes it possible for even one person to deliver what used to require an entire agency. And the best part, as AI continues to advance, your systems will only get better and more valuable, allowing you to charge even more while doing less manual work. So to recap everything we talked about, the full funnel opportunity is massive, especially for local businesses. AI is providing the leverage to deliver complete solutions without a large team. Automated systems for content creation, ad management, and lead conversion can run 24/7. And this approach allows you to charge 2 to 3 times more while actually doing less work. And that's it for this video, guys. My name is Julian. I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment and subscribe for more.